Good morning, sunshine.
Good morning, love.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. What about you?
I slept okay, but I woke up missing you already.
Oh, you're so sweet. I miss you too.
What's your plan for today?
Just the usual work stuff. What about you?
I've got a busy day, but I'll text you whenever I get a break.
Sounds good. Don't forget to eat something, okay?
Of course. I won't. You take care too.
Okay, sweetheart.
You know, you're the best part of my life.
Ah, you always know how to make me smile.
I mean it. You make everything so much better.
You're the sweetest. I'm so lucky to have you.
No, I'm the lucky one. You're my everything.
Stop. You're making me blush.
Let's do something fun this weekend.
Like what?
Maybe a movie date or a picnic, your choice.
A picnic sounds cute. Let's do that.
Great. I'll handle everything. You just need to show up.
You're the best.
Did you forget to text me yesterday?
No way. I was waiting for you to text first.
Oh, really? You were just lazy.
Haha, maybe a little. But I love it when you start the conversation.
Where should we go for our next vacation?
Somewhere tropical. Beaches, sunsets, and lots of relaxing.
That sounds dreamy. Can we go snorkeling too?
Of course.
Do you think we'll ever get a pet?
Definitely. What do you want, a dog or a cat?
A dog. But you have to help take care of it.
Deal.
What's one thing you really want to do with me this year?
Go on a road trip. Just the two of us.
I love that idea. Where should we go?
Anywhere with good food and great views.
I have a big presentation tomorrow. I'm so nervous.
You've got this, babe. You're amazing at what you do.
What if I mess up?
You won't. And even if you do, you'll recover like a pro.
I had a rough day at work today.
What happened?
Just a lot of stress and deadlines.
I'm so sorry, love. Want to talk about it?
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Invisibility so I can spy on you.
Now that's scary.
Haha. What about you?
Teleportation. I'd visit you whenever I miss you.
That's good, my dear.
If we were stuck on a deserted island, what's one thing you'd bring?
You, obviously.
Nice save. I'd bring a lifetime supply of chocolate for you.
Now we're talking.
What's your favorite memory of us?
The first time we held hands, it felt like magic.
What would you do if I showed up at your door right now?
Hug you and never let you go.
That's all. I was expecting a kiss too.
That's a given, silly.
I have a question. How did I get so lucky to have you?
Maybe you saved the country in your past life?
Or maybe I just met the most amazing person ever.
You're too sweet. You know that.
Do you ever get tired of me saying I love you?
Never. I could hear it 1,000 times.
Well, I'll keep saying it forever then.
Forever sounds perfect.
If we were in a romantic movie, what would our story be?
A mix of comedy, adventure, and endless love.
Sounds like my kind of movie.
Good, because we're living it.
Why do you take so long to reply sometimes?
I'm busy being fabulous.
Haha, sure. Admit it, you forgot to text back.
Okay, maybe a little.
Who's your favorite person in the world?
It's a tough choice.
Tough. Shouldn't it be obvious?
Fine, it's you.
Why do you always steal my hoodie?
Because it smells like you and it's so comfy.
I'll have to hide them from now on.
Go ahead, I'll still find them.
I bet I could win in a game of wits with you.
Oh, really? Bring it on, then.
Okay, what's 15 times 27?
I didn't mean math.
Let's plan something special for our next date.
Like what?
A candlelight dinner at home. I'll cook for you.
That sounds amazing.
How about we go hiking next weekend?
I'd love that, but can we pack snacks?
Obviously, you can't hike without snacks.
Then I'm in.
What's your dream destination for a vacation?
Paris, for sure. What about you?
Anywhere, as long as I'm with you.
Smooth answer.
Should we plan a movie marathon soon?
Yes, but I get to pick the movies.
Fine, as long as there's popcorn.
Deal.
Where do you see us in 5 years?
Together, happy, and maybe starting a family.
That's exactly what I want to.
I love how we're always on the same page.
Do you believe in soulmates?
I didn't, but then I met you.
That's the sweetest thing you've ever said.
Well, you bring out the romantic in me.
I'd have loved to see your reaction.
Trust me, it wasn't pretty.
If we were characters in a video game, what would our powers be?
I'd control time, and you'd be super fast.
Together, we'd be unstoppable.
Exactly, a power couple.
If you wrote a book about us, what would the title be?
Love and laughter. What about you?
The luckiest guy in the world.
You're too sweet.
I need to go now, but I'll miss you every second.
I'll miss you too. Don't forget to text me later.
Take care of yourself while I'm gone, okay?
I will. You take care too. Love.
I hate leaving, but I'll call you as soon as I can.
I'll be waiting. Talk to you soon.
Let's finish this conversation later. I really have to go now.
Sure. Don't worry. We'll talk soon.
I'll text you once I get there.
Please do, and drive safe.
I'm signing off for now, but you're always on my mind.
Same here. Talk to you later.
I'll be back soon, so don't miss me too much.
Too late, I already miss you.
Time for me to leave, but I'll dream of you tonight.
Sweet dreams, love. I'll dream of you too.
Work's calling, but I wish I could stay and chat with you.
I know. Go rock your day and we'll talk later.
Bye for now, my love. I'll text you when I'm free. .gf. Okay, bye. Love you.
Okay, bye, love you.
I wish I didn't have to go, but duty calls.
It's okay. Go do your thing, and I'll be here.
Bye for now, but I'll always be thinking of you.
Same here. Bye, love.